And the big news is Narcotics Control Bureau has taken all the documents related to the drug angle investigation in Sushant Singh Rajput case. So remember, this is big. Narcotics Bureau has now got into the probe as well. And after analyzing the documents, a call will be taken whether the NCB, the Narcotics Control Bureau, register a crime number, which is equivalent to a criminal case, to initiate a preliminary inquiry on the basis of the documents that will be scrutinized. And by late evening, we are being told that call will be taken. So big news, Narcotics Control Bureau, Mustafa, has taken all the documents. Till now, the NCB was nowhere. This was about CBI, financial angle via the ED, now even the Narcotics Bureau. But this will be a very important issue to also clarify whether she was consuming it for herself, whether it was for somebody else to be administered, whether it was perhaps even worse, if there was any dealing happening. So do you think right now the chats are at still a very initial stage?
Yes, Pooja, we'll have to wait and see, because it's again a central agency that NCB is taking over this case. And also important to note here, Pooja, that there are now 3 central agencies who are investigating this case, which increases the burden on the shoulders of investigating agencies to then come up with concrete facts as to what are their findings. Allegations are being made, be it a party which happened at Sushant Singh Rajput, that was an allegation, misappropriation of 15 crore rupees, that was a major misallegation about which the Enforcement Directorate investigated. Now this is the drug angle, which is the 3rd allegation. So there is, at some point, the central agencies will come out, will have to come out with evidences, and that will be a crucial part, because the aim with which this all started was prayer and demand by Sushant Singh Rajput's family to get him justice. We'll have to wait and see how the case progresses.
And also, Mustafa, has the hole been dug deeper by Riya Chakrabarti against her itself? Because just for the benefit of our viewers, I'll repeat the breaking news here. Narcotics Control Bureau has taken all the documents related to the drug angle investigation. Many of these are retrieved chats that were earlier deleted, is what we are being told. And after analyzing the documents, a call will be taken, and that call will have to be one, whether the NCB registers a crime number, which is in other words called a criminal case, or initiate a preliminary inquiry on the basis of these documents. So that call will be taken perhaps in the next few hours. So Mustafa, this in many ways takes the investigation to a completely different angle. This makes it much more serious, much more illegal in so many ways, because the drugs, we are being told, the one that is MD, which is also called ecstasy, and other drugs are illegal, right? So in case there is any evidence that it was consumed, dealt or used, this could mean a long-term imprisonment.
Yes, it could mean that. It could also mean that it's like opening the Pandora's box of Bollywood, because there are a lot of things where people are associated with drugs in Bollywood again and again. If there is a supplier, who all he used to supply, so the Riya Chakrabarti may also take name. So this is a different angle altogether. That's what we were discussing earlier, Pooja, that the main demand was for the justice for Sushant. We'll have to wait and see how this particular drug angle progresses. NCB is a central agency, no doubt. On their investigations, they will come out with concrete facts in this case. But we'll have to wait till then to find out what are the real clues and investigation.
Also tell us, I can see, Mustafa, that your camera person is trying to zoom into the DRDO office. Tell us what precisely is happening there right now. Who all are there at the DRDO office? Who's being questioned? Because that's where all the action is right now.
Yes, of course, Pooja, from here, one team of CBI since morning has gone to Cooper Hospital, where Sushant Singh Rajput's postmortem had taken place. Now inside the DRDO office, questioning of Siddharth Pithani and other people who are closely associated as support staff of Sushant Singh Rajput, their questioning is going on. Yesterday, the chartered accountant of Sushant Singh Rajput was also called in here, and he was questioned about the financial misappropriation angle. But today, it seems that the investigation is slightly moving towards the narcotics angle, the visit to the forensic lab. So these are things which the CBI is probing as of now. Back
All
to you.
right, Mustafa is there, keeping all eyes there, not just at the gate, trying to get us visuals from inside as well. Mustafa, keep tracking, because I want to go to the other side. That is not where only the DRDO office, where all the action is. The other side is the Cooper Hospital. Why is Cooper Hospital important?
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.